Hello everyone. Now in the recent CA final results, students scored extremely well. Students scored 60 plus, 70 plus. They got all India rank also. But many of the students were not able to clear. And now when I talk to them, they say that we are not able to have momentum. There are no regular studies. We're not going to go in depth. It's difficult to memorize also. Guys, we have Super 40 course which is in Hindi as well as English. And now we are bringing heavy discount on both these courses. There's a repeaters discount, guys. So for those who are not able to clear, don't need to worry. So what you're supposed to do, daily you watch one lecture of 3 hours and you're supposed to revise it the same day. Then you're supposed to cover all the questions and MCQs which are given next to the concept and cover questions also. We are going to provide a database of questions also in which you can watch video of almost all the questions, guys. Apart from that, we are providing DPQ, daily practice question. Write it and upload it on our portal. It will be checked. Yes, now if there are 38 lectures, there will be 38 DPQs. Apart from that, there will be 2 50% course papers and 2 full course papers which you are going to get along with the course. So write them and then again prepare well. So guys, make full use of this opportunity and prepare well for audit.